which one of these red keys is gonna do it for us.
Oh my God, forget the MC. This how we coming? Yeah, this thing is cold, man. Y'all gotta check him out. This is about to be one of you guys' Hellcat Charger. Ooh, that thing is cold. We had to let him know it was the Big Daddy Hellcat, so we had to throw the big Hellcat face on the side, man. It's looking good, though. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally finished up our 2020 Road Glide Miami. That thing is looking good, wilding and styling, man. We pulled everything out on live yesterday, even checked out the truck and so on and so forth, man. But today is finally the day, man. I believe our wide body Charger with all the oohs and ahs, man, is just about finished up, man. So I'm actually about to head up to Audio Boss right now, pick up one of those wheels because one of our rims got a freaking slow leak. Take that thing to Chewy, have him reseal it and have him get it all 100%. We'll drop that rim off, and then from there our wide body Charger should be done, man. So we'll be looking to pick that thing up later on today or first thing in the morning. But in the meantime, man, I can't wait to show you guys either way, and I can't wait to see it myself, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Meanwhile, you guys know our whole ooh and ah giveaway is coming down to an end, man. You guys know for every hat you buy today, you get 10 entries for that one hat, man. So you buy one hat, you get 10 entries. You buy two hats, you get 20 entries. You buy three hats, you get 30 entries, and so on and so forth, man. So the choice is yours. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go and get your hat or wallet, man. Meanwhile, man, you guys know we're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 Road Glide CVO. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a matching Road Glide for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys see we got a whole garage full of Road Glide. So third place, you'll receive your very own Everything Regular Road Glide special with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you an Everything Regular hat or wallet. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. It is almost that time to shine, so I can't wait. You guys know what to do. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, man. Meanwhile, let's get this day started. I was going to drive the Corvette, but the freaking 24-inch rim is not going to fit up in there. And I would drive my Lamb, but my oil light is on in there and I haven't had a chance to go up to the Lamborghini dealer. I would drive my truck, but I don't really feel like driving this big thing. Like, it would be more convenient for what we need to do. I should drive it, but I really want to drive my Trackhawk. That's what I'm thinking, man. So I'm gonna actually pull that bad boy out. We'll head down to freaking Audio Boss and then pick up that wheel and then head over to Chewy's and see what's good, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road now, shall we?
Alrighty, guys. First things first, we gotta figure out which one of these red keys is gonna do it for us. Is it nope, it's not the SRT. It's actually the one with the Trackhawk on it, man. So let's see what we got. Come on, baby. Give me the room. Okay, we got the rooms on there with the cat eyes that light up. I'm digging that. All right, bet. Let's see about the vet, because we gotta move this joint out the way. Fresh little cold start. Fresh little cold start. Let's get this show on the road, man. Get this show on the road. All right, 10 minutes later, we got that thing pulled out. Now we ready to roll, man. It's a movie. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it there, little buddy. Don't you do it. He was giving me the look over here. He was definitely giving me the look. I'm in that Trackhawk, man. He don't want no smoke with this bad boy here, man. Man, I love being in this car. Freaking, it feels good, looks good. All red interior. Big freaking sunroof up top. Just can't get over that. Really comfortable ride, man. You guys know what time it is. Every time somebody pull up on us in a freaking SRT or anything, they always trying to freaking get cracking. But today, I'm actually just chilling, man. But if anybody happen to do pull up, you guys know what time it is, man. Meanwhile, we are in this Trackhawk on our way to go check out our Charger. Not only that, on our way to go take our wheel to Chewy's, man. So let's get up to Audio Boss and see what he's got for us, man. Let's see what that Charger is looking like, gang. Alrighty, guys. Just pull it up. Trackhawk, I didn't get y'all no good riding content. I'm gonna have to get y'all some good riding content in this bad boy, man. Let's course, we got the Hellcat 300, but I'm in that track today. I don't think nobody want to see me in that all-wheel drive 700 horsepower ride, the one with the oohs and the twos, man. Let's go break the news. Ooh, they got an old school up in this joint. MC. Ooh, MC. Oh my God, forget the MC. This how we coming? My God. Juan is in the house, got us rolling. Oh yeah. See, we came at the perfect time, man. How you doing, man?
Good, good.
Good seeing you, dog.
Yeah.
Ooh, and I was gonna pull to the back too. I should have pulled to the back. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got this thing out here looking good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this thing is cold, man. Y'all gotta check him out. We got the gloss black, whole front daddy. All in that thing. I'm digging it. Ooh. You just pulled it back in or you about to pull it out?
Huh?
You just pulled it back in or you about to pull it out?
I was about to pull it out, but
oh, okay.
I need some air right now.
Oh, it needs some air. Oh yeah, that thing looking cold. I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing is done. This thing is done. Oh my goodness. Y'all see the oohs and the ahs on here, man. Look at the big cat on the side, man. Y'all hear this thing wilding and prowling. Yeah, I'm digging it. With the daddies that's squat on it. Definitely nice, man. How you doing? This thing is cold, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think so far. We about to pull this thing out and check it out in the sun. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. This thing is freaking sick. You guys just see it poking through like, ooh, it looked like the kitty trying to come out to play. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. This blue is just oh so freaking sick. It's like, I'm looking at the Trackhawk, like the Trackhawk is literally all white. It's like a freaking blank canvas. So it just reminds me of what this white thing looked like a few weeks ago, man. So it's finally time to shine. This thing is coming out right now. I can't wait. This is about to be one of you guys' freaking Hellcat Charger with all the oohs and ahs on that joint, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We looking for a air pump because we came to get this front tire, but since he pulling out, he gonna pull it out for us first. We're gonna check it out and then we'll take the rim and see what's going on, man. But y'all see what's good. I can't wait, sir. It's almost that time to shine. Almost that time to shine. Yeah, I think this one hidden. You gotta be up. I'm like, it blend in with the buttons. I remember that on this rim. It's so cold. I'm telling you, this blue is something crazy. I really want to just go get my picture in front of my driveway and then bring my other one back. Dead ass, seriously. That's what I really want to go do. This blue like looks so different. See, like it already looked different like in the light. And there, that don't do it justice at all. You really get to see the blue now. You really get to see the blue now, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Ooh, that thing is cold, baby. That thing is cold. Yeah, she looking real spectacular. I ain't gonna hold you. Golly. Look at that thing. Yeah, she looking cold. I am not gonna hold you. Yeah, this thing sounds good. Ooh. The oohs and the ahs on there. The big cat on the side. Oh yeah. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about this one. Yeah, you did a hell of a job on this one, man. This thing is sick. I like that, man. You did that.
Good, huh?
That's dope. That blue definitely looked way crazier in the light. Way crazier in the light. Okay, bet. So you guys remember we picked this thing up a few weeks ago, man. It was a freaking blank slate, literally a blank canvas. And we was like, man, we have to go harder, man. So you guys know we have to throw one of my favorite colors on there. That blue looks just so freaking good. Being that we already had these rims from our last Hellcat, we was like, hey, no need to buy no new rims, man. So we ended up throwing them rims from our last wide body Hellcat on this Hellcat. We got the whole wide body Vis-Res body kit, wide body kit on here right now. And you guys just see it looks oh so good. Fits freaking great. We got all the oohs and the ahs on this thing, man. My guys got us right. And then not only that, man, we freaking gloss blacked some of like the little pieces and stuff. So we gloss blacked the spoiler. We got the vents back here all glossed up. We got the diffuser down here all glossed up, looking good as well. Other vent, of course, gloss, looking really good. So we kept the calipers red because, as you guys see, like, of course the taillights is red, but even like the red little side markers on the side, they just look oh so good. So now these studs are green. Don't mind those. I actually got to go pick up some from Chewy's right now when we go put that get that front wheel situated up there. But we'll get some whole new we'll get a whole new thing of bolts for this wheel back here. Meanwhile, we did have to let them know it was the Big Daddy Hellcat. We had to let them know it was the Big Daddy Hellcat, so we had to throw the big Hellcat face on the side, man. Big Hellcat face on the side, man. So y'all know it wasn't no corners cut on this one. Well, a little bit of corners. You know, we have to make the wide body work. But all in all, I'm excited. It is looking good. We got a few more parts to go, literally 2 more vents. Dang, we forgot to gloss black this part.
The vents?
Yeah, this one right here.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Also, on these, you're missing one.
I'm missing one?
Yeah, I didn't come with one. One of them was broken.
I think it was this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they were both broken, so I don't know if they'll stay on good.
I think it was this side. I think you had that side.
Y'all don't got nothing in there stashed away?
Nah, most of them we threw away before we moved to this building.
Yeah.
We threw a lot of stuff
okay,
away.
wow.
Thinking that nobody would need it.
Oh, okay. I got you. So I need to go get some new vents.
I kept forgetting to. We meant to tell you, but I kept forgetting. Keep forgetting.
Alright, then, so I gotta get some new vents for this joint.
That's the only thing.
It's looking good though. That and then it gets. Oh, okay, got you. Passenger side. Alright. So it does look good. I can't hold you there, man. Did a hell of a job with this thing. That thing just looks so cold. Man, they put the whole wide body on this joint. Like, I can't even hold you. Just looks so freaking dope. You happy this one's finally done?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah. It's been here for too long.
Everybody wants it when you see that.
Everybody want it?
Car, and I'm like, no, it's not ours.
Dang, I should have had a sign up like,
People
here,
say
win this right
like
here.
The blue, they're like, man, that blue looks good.
We
as
told
fuck.
them
Yeah.
all that you were gonna have it out.
Oh, yeah?
That we told them to go look for it.
Oh, okay,
YouTube and
okay.
everything.
Oh yeah, that's sick. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's up. Well, y'all see it here first, man. We got that blue thing pulled out, man. I'm trying to figure out which color I should do the Trackhawk, man. We got to do a crazy color. Crazy color. Y'all see how much the blue can change up things on this white, man. So I can only imagine what that Trackhawk is going to look like. But all in all, I'm so excited. We even got the whole top of the car gloss black and all that, man. So like I said, this thing really came out really good. I ain't gonna hold you. It does look really dope. The only thing I have to get is some vents for the freaking front, and we pretty much good. So y'all see it here first, man. We pulled up to Audio Boss. They got us right, man. Definitely appreciate you, gang. This thing is freaking sick. This thing is freaking sick, man. What else you think we could do to it, man? He like, whatever you want to do. You want the trunk popping like Houston style, man? What they call that out here?
It's basically like a slab there.
Okay, like a slab. You want your Charger like a slab, man? Y'all let me know. We gonna get you right, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I love it though. This thing is sitting so freaking fat, even on the backside. Ooh wee, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. It's a movie. And then you guys know you guys can win this Hellcat Charger right here. This will be one of you guys paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide Special, man. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get this Hellcat wide body and a matching freaking Road Glide Special, man. You guys know what time it is. Definitely appreciate y'all. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular hat while you can, because like I said, today only, man, you get 10 entries just for buying one hat, man. Just for buying one hat, man. So go ahead and head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go support your boy. You can even go get a wallet for 1 entry, but like I said, today only, man, you get 10 of them bad boys for the price of 1. That blue is looking so cold, so cold. That bad boy out there, man. She looking so freaking good. Oohs and ahs. Oohs and ahs, man. Yep, I'm digging it. Moving. Just like that, man, we got that off. Now it's time to head to Chewy's. I'll pull the truck around back. I see where we just pulled up to, man. We back at Chewy's trying to get it together, man. We in that track and don't know how to act, man. Y'all know what time it is. We in that track and don't know how to act. Y'all see what's going on. So we took it, the tire here to Chewy's. Y'all see the tire is wood, man, in there. So we're gonna get a new tire for it. We're gonna order it up. So tomorrow we'll pick up the wheel with the tire and then take that along with the wheel to the blue Charger and pick that thing up, man. So we'll see y'all tomorrow, man. It's up. We got a vet down there. Y'all see what's going on. We got a vet down there. Don't even think about it, buddy. Go ahead and take the in route, buddy. Go ahead and take that in route. Alrighty, guys, we got this bad boy in sport mode. Oh man, I need to get a cold air intake on this thing. That's what I need to get, a cold air intake on this car so I can hear the whine every time I hit the gas, like my black Hellcat. Maybe if I slow down, we'll get a little bit more room to do what we gotta do. Can we get something good? Hey, that thing full. Hey man, I ain't gonna hold you. This track, it feels good when you come off the line like that. I could only imagine when you race this thing. That's what I think I want to do. Take this thing to a drag strip or something like that and really see what it do. That'll be some fun content, man. Some really, really fun content. Because not only can we take our Hellcat, but we can take every other car we got and see what's good with it, man. So I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. I'm in a track hog right now. Going kind of yay. Going kind of yay. Going kind of yay.
So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys better get in before the 10 for 1 sale gets in. You guys know today only, man, you buy 1 hat, you get yourself 10 entries into the whole ooh and ah giveaway, man. That beautiful blue Charger that you guys seen today can be yours, along with a matching 2020 Road Glide Special, man. So not only that, you can get a 2020 Silverado Big Dog for the first place, paired together for first place as well with our matching 2021 CVO, man. So not only do you get the bike and the truck for first place, you get the Hellcat wide body and a matching Road Glide for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys know we got a whole garage full of Road Glides. So third place, you'll receive your very own Everything Regular Special with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you a hat or wallet, man. You guys know today only, man, you get yourself a hat, man. You get 10 entries for that 1 hat. So you buy 1 hat, you get 10 entries. You buy 2 hats, you get 20 entries. You buy 3 hats, you get 30, and so on and so forth, man. You get a wallet, you get 1 entry, man. So the choice is yours. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now before the day is up to get in on the 10 for 1 deal, man. Meanwhile, did check out our Charger. That thing is looking freaking beastie. I can't wait to go pick it up. We took our wheel to Chewy's so we can get a new tire on that rim and get that slow leak fixed and everything ready to go for tomorrow. So I can't wait for that, man. So y'all stay tuned. That Charger's gonna be done sooner than you think. Actually, it's already done. We just gotta go pick it up. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go take advantage of the Everything Regular 10 for 1 sale, man. You buy 1 hat, you get 10 entries. You buy 1 wallet, you get 1 wallet, man. So So the choice is yours. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. In the meantime, man, I will catch you guys tomorrow, man. That's a movie, gang.